Smartphone manufacturers are constantly trying to push the boundaries of design and performance. Every year we see new devices with brighter displays, improved cameras, faster processors, and more refined aesthetics. Recently, Motorola introduced a new smartphone that focuses on delivering a premium visual experience while still remaining affordable. This device is the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. It's a mid-range smartphone that brings several interesting features to the table, including a massive curved display, a high refresh rate, strong camera hardware, and a unique design inspired by Pantone colors. While it may not compete directly with flagship devices, the Edge 70 Fusion aims to offer a stylish and capable smartphone for users who want modern features without paying flagship prices. Let's take a closer look at what this new phone offers: a large curved display. One of the most eye-catching features of the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion is its display. Motorola describes the screen as the world's first quad-curved display. This means the edges of the screen curve not only along the sides, but also smoothly around the corners, creating a more fluid and elegant look. This design gives the phone a premium feel and helps it stand out visually from many other mid-range smartphones. The display itself measures 6.78 inches, making it quite large. For users who enjoy watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games, this size provides plenty of screen space. The panel is an AMOLED display, which means it delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. But the display doesn't stop there. Motorola has also included a 144 Hz refresh rate, which allows the screen to refresh up to 144 times per second. Compared to traditional 60 Hz displays, this makes animations and scrolling appear significantly smoother. High refresh rates are particularly noticeable while gaming, navigating apps, or scrolling through social feeds. Another impressive aspect of the display is its brightness. The Edge 70 Fusion can reach a peak brightness of 5,200 nits, which is extremely bright for a smartphone, and this level of brightness ensures that the screen remains visible even in direct sunlight. Additionally, the display features Pantone validated color accuracy, meaning colors are calibrated to match real-world tones more precisely. For users who care about visual quality, this can make photos, videos, and graphics appear more natural and true to life. Camera system. Another important area for any modern smartphone is the camera system. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion includes a 50-megapixel main camera that uses Sony's Lytia 710 sensor. Sony sensors are widely respected in the smartphone industry for their image quality and reliability, and this sensor is designed to capture sharp and detailed photos. The main camera also includes Optical Image Stabilization, commonly known as OIS. OIS helps reduce blur caused by hand movement when taking photos or recording video. This results in clearer images, especially in low-light situations where the camera needs longer exposure times. The main camera uses an f/1.8 aperture, which allows more light to enter the sensor. This can improve image brightness and detail when shooting in darker environments. In addition to the main camera, the phone includes a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera that can also function as a macro camera. This allows users to capture wider scenes such as landscapes or group photos, while also enabling close-up photography for subjects like flowers, textures, or small objects. On the front, the Edge 70 Fusion features a 32-megapixel selfie camera. This front-facing camera supports 4K video recording, making it useful for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who frequently records videos using the front camera. Overall, the camera setup appears well-rounded for a mid-range device. Performance and hardware. Powering the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. This chipset includes Cortex-A 720 performance cores along with Cortex-A 520 efficiency cores, creating a balance between power and battery efficiency. Graphics processing is handled by the Adreno 810 GPU, which should provide smooth performance for gaming, video playback, and everyday tasks. Motorola claims that this processor offers about 15% better performance compared to the previous model. While it may not match the power of flagship processors, It should be more than capable of handling most daily activities, including multitasking, streaming, and mobile gaming. Battery and charging. Battery life is another important factor for smartphone users. The Edge 70 Fusion includes a 5,200 mAh battery, which is a fairly large capacity. This should provide enough power for a full day of typical use, depending on how the phone is used. For charging, the device supports 68-watt wired fast charging. With this level of charging speed, users should be able to recharge the battery relatively quickly when needed. However, it's worth noting that the phone does not include wireless charging. While this may not be a deal breaker for most users, some people may miss the convenience of wireless charging found on higher-end devices. Durability and protection. Motorola has also focused on durability with this device. The Edge 70 Fusion comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, which indicate strong protection against dust and water. These ratings suggest the phone can handle exposure to dust particles and even powerful water jets. In addition, the device meets MILS TD810H durability standards, a military-grade testing certification used to evaluate resistance to environmental stress. This type of testing typically includes factors such as extreme temperatures, vibrations, humidity, and physical shocks. Together, these features suggest the phone should be reasonably durable for everyday use. Design and colors. Another aspect that makes the Edge 70 Fusion stand out is its design. Motorola collaborated with Pantone, the global color authority, to create unique color options for the device. Some of the available colors include Pantone Orient Blue, Pantone Country Air, and Pantone Sporting Green. These shades are designed to feel more fashion-forward and distinctive compared to typical smartphone colors. In addition to the colors themselves, the phone features a fabric-like finish on the back. This texture gives the device a different feel compared to standard glass or plastic backs, making it both stylish and comfortable to hold. Pricing and availability. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion is positioned as a value-focused mid-range device. Pricing starts at around $430 in Europe, which converts to approximately $503 US dollars. At this price point, the phone offers a combination of premium display technology, a capable camera system, and solid performance. The device is expected to go on sale in Europe and other international markets later this month. However, there has been no official announcement regarding availability in the United States. Final thoughts. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion appears to be a strong option for users looking for a stylish smartphone with a high-quality display. Its large quad-curved AMOLED screen, 144 Hz refresh rate, bright display, and Pantone color accuracy make it especially appealing for users who care about visual experience. At the same time, the 50MP Sony camera with optical stabilization, capable processor, and durable build help round out the device as a solid mid-range option. While it may not compete directly with flagship smartphones, it seems designed to deliver a balanced mix of performance, style, and affordability. For users in Europe and other supported markets, the Edge 70 Fusion could become an attractive choice for anyone who wants modern smartphone features without paying premium flagship prices.